Hello brides-to-be, let's dive into your bridal makeup essentials. Prioritize moisturizer and eye cream. These heroes prep your skin, ensuring it's hydrated and smooth for the flawless canvas ahead. Concealers are next. Opt for 2 shades, one to spot conceal pigmentation and another 2 shades lighter than your skin to brighten your face. Foundations should be lightweight, offering a satin finish for a long-lasting wear. Powders set everything in place, guaranteeing your makeup stays put throughout. Opt for neutral eyeshadow palettes with matte and shimmer shades for versatile looks. Blush in both cream and powder formulations not only adds natural flush to your cheeks but also ensures long-lasting wear. Mascara works wonders, opening your eyes with added volume and length to your lashes. Define lips with lip pencils for a long-lasting lipstick. Lipsticks adds finishing touch from classic nudes to daring reds. Frame your face beautifully with precise eyebrow pencil application. Fix Plus sets makeup for a dewy, luminous finish. With these essentials in your bridal makeup kit, you're prepped for any occasion. Here's to celebrating every moment, looking and feeling your best. Until next time.